Hello there, welcome to another riveting tutorial video from Manychat. In this particular video, we're going to introduce you to the basic dashboard view and familiarize you with the functionality you can get your hands on over in the Audience tab. So we're looking at the dashboard. All of this here is the brains of your bot, and it's the first screen you see upon logging into Manychat. You see your basic bot stats, active subscribers, net subscribers, and you can also take a look at subscribers and unsubscribers over time. If you've ever used an email marketing service or a marketing automation platform, this should seem pretty familiar. Let's head over to Audience. Now at a glance, the Audience section displays the latest people to subscribe to your bot, and along the right-hand side, some quick stats on how many subscribers are tagged with different tags, what widgets are most popular or active, and which sequences are currently engaged. Filtering lets you find specific subsets of your audience. For example, let's find everyone who has subscribed within the last 3 days and has interacted with one of our sequences. Alright, now using bulk actions, we can tag this specific group, subscribe them to a sequence, or set a custom field. It's pretty cool. We can also click on a specific user to load their profile, and we get more detailed info on their interactions with the chatbot. So here's our good friend Jorgen Jorgensen. Here you can see that Jorgen has interacted with our bot, and he seems pretty interested in continuing the conversation with us. So I think Jorgen would make a good target for some additional marketing efforts. So let's make that happen. All right, so there you have it. Manychat's dashboard and audience features. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. Join our Manychat community page on Facebook, or head over to our support page at support.manychat.com. Thanks.